Hi, welcome to St. Stanislav's. We're an institution and we're offering several international courses for teachers. We've been to several during our Erasmus programs and we have noticed that we have learned a lot over the years. We want to share this with you. So you're more than welcome to join us for one of the 5 different seminars in the summer of 2019. But we want to tell you about a special offer, let's say. Since we have a bit of experience in writing the Erasmus applications, our partner schools abroad have approached us and they sort of wanted us to give them some tips. So since we were doing that, we said, why not share it with the world, with you? And you are welcome to write to us and ask us for a series of tutorials on how to write an application. We've been rather successful during the past years. We've been able to send over 80 professors to seminars abroad, and we really want to help you also get to us in the summer of 2019, so you are welcome to contact us either at seminars@stanislav.si or visit our page seminars.stanislav.si or our Facebook page St. Stanislav Seminars, which is all in the description of the video. Hope to see you either in the tutorials or preferably in Ljubljana.